How's it going, YouTube? Goes here. Welcome back to the channel. Before I begin today, I want to take the time to wish you guys a happy holidays. I'm not sure what you guys celebrate, whether it be Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever. I hope you guys are enjoying your time and spending time with your family and loved ones. Today's video, I'm going to be installing aftermarket valve covers. I believe Speedmaster is a brand. I just don't like the look of the factory valve covers, so I'm going to be swapping that out and hopefully bringing more life to the engine bay. Not much going on today. This is just an effort of being a little bit more interactive with my channel. I haven't been uploading as often lately, so I'm trying to change that. You know, trying to be, like I said, more active. So. On my last video, I gave you guys a brief look under the hood, so I'm not going to beat on it too much, but I just wanted to give y'all one last view before I guess, revamp. All the valve covers are off, and next to them are the aftermarket ones, which sit taller, and these studs are used to compensate for the height difference. This bolts onto the head, and then the valve cover bolts onto these. Knocked out one side, and now I'm about to start the other side. Doing this shit on the ground, squatting. I'm gonna talk you guys through what I did. So I drilled separate holes because the provisions that came with the bracket kind of lines up with these bulges in there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. If I could just put it down, I could point to it. Alright, so the provisions that came with the bracket, these holes line up with these bulges. And first time I did this, I couldn't get a good enough seal and ended up having oil coming out of there. So I learned my lesson the first go around. This time I just drilled my own, and it's on a flat surface on the inside, so should have a good seal. If not, then I might end up coming back to put some gasket seal it on the inside. Then the bracket arms mount up directly to that main structure, whatever you want to call it, and then you mount the coil packs onto those arms individually. Oh, there you have it. And this new setup looks really, really, really good. Spark plug relocator coupled with the valve cover. Man, coming together. It's coming together. I'm going to start it up so you guys can hear the new idle. I've been messing with it for a little bit. Clean. Oh yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. And for my new subscribers, welcome aboard. Promise I won't disappoint. Alright, let's start her up. Oh yeah. And like always, thank you guys for watching, for supporting, and please remember, like, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video.